Today, let's discuss about the term one. Daily subtopic is the sum of the measures of the exterior and interior angles of polygons. Understanding polygons. A polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. Remember, polygons can range from triangles to hexagons and beyond. So regular polygons, all sides and angles are equal. So all sides of this ay equal. And this one ay pare-parehas lang sila. Even the angles is pare-parehas lang. Yan ang matatawag natin na regular polygons. A regular polygon have sides and angles of varying lengths and measures. So magkakaiba ang kanilang measure pagdating pag irregular polygons. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. So 360 degrees ang sum ng this one of the exterior angles. Pag pinagsum nito itong exterior. So sample this one. Pag in-extend natin to, sample this angle 1. This is angle 2. And this is the angle 3. This is the angle 4. This is the angle 5. And it's the angle 6. So all of them from angle 1, from the measure of the angle 1, plus measure of angle 2, plus measure of angle 3, plus measure of angle 4, plus measure of angle 5, plus measure of angle 6. Ang total nila lahat is 360 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. Now let's compute about paano ba nakuha itong 180 degrees. So, sa equilateral triangle. So pag-solve dito ay kailangan natin na using of the formula. Okay, so the formula. So let's try to solve by using the pen. The formula is we are solving about the triangle. Formula is sides are the sum of the n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, our n is the number of sides, so that's 3 minus 2 equals 180 degrees. So we have the 3 minus 1 is, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 180 degrees. So 1 times 180 degrees is 180 degrees. So therefore, ano na natin ang sagot niya ay 180 degrees. This one. Kaya siya nakuha. Okay, that. Now let's try to find the square. Paano ba nakuha ang 360 degrees by means of that the formula. So, guys natin to. Here. So solving 10. Now, finding the square, the formula is sum And we have the n minus 2 times 180 degrees. The n natin is, we have, since this is 4 sides, we have 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then 4 minus 2, we have 2 times 180 degrees. So 2 times 180 degrees, that is 360 degrees. Since about 360 degrees, kaya siya nakuha. 360 degrees na. Now let's find about the pentagon. Paano ba nakuha ang pentagon for that? Pentagon is 5 sides. So ang n natin magiging 5 sides. Let become n is 5. We have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So sum is n is 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 degrees. So 3 times 180 degrees, 180 times 3, 0, 24. So therefore that's 540 degrees. Kaya doon nakuha ang 540 degrees, the sum of the pentagon. This one, pentagon. Now let's try to solve about the hexagon. Paano nakuha ang hexagon? Okay. Hexagon is 720 degrees. Now let's focus that to solve. Formula is that sum equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. S then n is 6 since we're looking for the hexagon. 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So summation 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 180 degrees. Then 4 times 180 times 4, we have 0, 32, 720 degrees. Kaya pinaka-total. So 720 degrees the sum of the hexagon by using of the formula na gagamitin. This one. Okay, so that is it.